Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our analysis on the Bitcoin market, and here we need to make important adjustment. So if you remember, on Thursday we have considered two-step trading plan. On the first stage we have suggested upside bounce at least to the 67 area, and then we said that probably it might be more extended downside retracement, and we were talking about an area around 60 even. This suggestion of the second stage was based on this candle. This is weekly chart, and if you remember, on Thursday market was standing right around the lows, so here was nicely looking bearish engulfing pattern. But on Friday, on a result of the payrolls report, you could see what has happened. Market has returned back up, closed in the middle of the week, and actually we haven't got any bearish engulfing, which significantly minimized the chances on a deeper retracement. This is what we see on a weekly chart. On the lower time frames, as I will show you, there are more bullish signs appears, and that makes us to deny the change the trading plan and deny idea of the possible deeper retracement. On the daily chart, you could see that market is returning back to the upper border of the triangle, and this has happened without testing the lower border. So usually this becomes the sign of the bullish activity and hidden strength on the market. Yes, we could argue that this was oversold, and this is the reason why the market was not able to reach this level. But if you take a look at the lows to the left, you could see that here's also a strong oversold, but market was able to just touch this support area and to form this support area. So anyway, I would treat it as actually some positive sign for the Bitcoin market. Nominal trend still remains bearish by far here, as you can see by the May city, but market is coming to it, and in general this sideways action with the high lows when the market stands flat and trend stand remains bearish, as we already talked about, this is the sign of the forming bullish dynamic pressure, suggesting with possible upward action. Usually when the triangle breakout happens, the first destination point is based on a potential butterfly, because always inside the triangle you could find the potential butterfly. In this case, we could consider targets. You can see here is already stand as 127. It's around 77.34. That will be the first destination point in the case of the upper breakout. Based on our body area, well, it stands relatively close, so for market it will be possible to reach it. So if we will see upper breakout. Now if you will take a look at the lower time frame, on the 4 time frame chart, another bullish sign. Market has returned back in a broken consolidation. This is not usually happens when the market keeps bearish sentiment intact. So you could see it actually, it means that it should show the breakout in opposite direction. At least this is very often happens. Second bullish moment, that take a look with this downside extension, this ABCD pattern. Market was not able to complete even minimum COP target, despite that the breakout was relatively strong. So market just tested this support area, which is also was support on the daily chart. I already shown you this trend line on the triangle, stops here and returned back up. Yes, here's our prediction is not really impressive. We don't see a really significant thrusting action by far, but still it is stubborn and it's breaking an important consolidation. Also, if you recall that this was not just the trend line, the lower border of the consolidation, that was also 618 resistance level, 68.76, that we were traded previously, and we mentioned it. And also this was the XOP target of this our initial ABC bottom pattern. So I will just show you that you will see it. So here is initial ABCD that we have discussed, and you can see that's the XOP that has been hit precisely around 69. So target has been completed, great downside reaction has followed, and in a normal situation, if market would be really bearish, this has to be not just a reaction, but this has to be downside continuation. But instead of that, you can see what is happening right now. Sorry, this market is forming great ABCD pattern, following to the upside, breaking very important level. So all the stuff starts smelling with a bullish background. Now, in the current circumstances, nearest target here stands around 70.87 approximately. It's the OP of this ABCD pattern, which could give us some kind of the Gartley steeple to sell. But what is more interesting, I would consider here, so we do not need it anymore, and this we also do not need. I would consider here reverse head and shoulders pattern, guys, on top. So it's very often becomes the pattern that leads to breakout. Maybe it will be sloped to the OP when the market will complete it, and something of this kind. That's what I would consider if I would like to take the position on the long side of the market. So as you could see, how many things depends on the moment that actually engulfing pattern has not been formed. How big consequences happens after that, so that we have to change overall trading plan, at least the second part of it, on the daily and lower time frames. So that's currently our view on the Bitcoin market. So if you would like to take the long position, you could wait for forming of the right arm, calculating the fib levels, considering here probably should be the 30% support. It's around 68.60. You could split the position, try and take step by step, or maybe you have some other solutions to that if you'd like to buy. But that's definitely the pattern to keep an eye on. So let's see what we will get on Thursday when we will prepare the next update here.